Thank you for giving me so much love for my previous mask video. I am truly grateful for your support. So first of all, take a clean mask and cut it from both sides. Also cut the upper and lower side. Now you can see 3 layers of it. Take the upper 2 layers and iron them. Don't forget to attach them. So now you have to give a shape of skirt and stick the both ends. Yay! The skirt is almost ready. Now take the last white layer and fold it with glue. Take the upper part of mask strip and give it a thin shape. Now attach the folded piece with UHU and stick the strip on it. You have to take another clean mask and cut the center of it. And then stick that piece on the back of the skirt. Ta-da! The skirt is ready.